So I was learning how to use godot, and it ended like this.
Tralalero, tralala, porco Dio e porco Allah.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, boy. You get your goddamn ugly ass.
So I basically downloaded this free model on Sketchfab. Shout out to this dude. I've downloaded other models, and then I've attached the 3D character controller from Bragi's tutorial, link in description. Then I made a simple map.
Brr brr patapim, il mio cappello è pieno di slim. Nel bosco fitto e misterioso viveva un essere assai curioso, con radici intrecciate e gambe incrociate, mani sottili, braccia agitate, il suo naso lungo come un prosciutto, un po' babbuino, un po' cespugliotto. Si chiamava Patapim, oh che strano, e parlava italiano, ma con accento arcano.
So this is totally garbage, there is no gameplay, and we have to make a new map. But before we do that, like and subscribe to support this channel. In order to fix this garbage, we have to add some texture and sky map. Now let's add the texture. Well, it's still garbage, but much better than before. And let's add some platforms. So it's a simple parkour game where the player has to jump on these platforms, and if you fall, you start all over. Then I watched a tutorial about how to make water in Godot. It was very simple, and I will link it in the description. This is how it turned out. Okay, so let's try it. This looks better than before. The water is also moving, and if we fall, we still fall into the void. I could simply reset the player position, but I wanted to do something different. Now when you fall into the water...
Tralalero, tralala, porco Dio e porco Allah.
So when you fall in the water, tralalero tralala, it's you. What would you do in this situation? I think that this is pretty scary. Now the shark swims around you, waiting for you to fall. Let's try some parkour now. Okay, that part was easy. Never mind. I think that this is pretty cool, and I added a blue overlay when you go underwater to make it look more realistic. The fact that he keeps rickrolling you is really annoying. While playtesting I fell a lot of times, and I had to listen to this track for many times, and my ears were bleeding. Yes, you can dance. Then I added some instructions. The commands are really simple, and some background music. Then I added checkpoints and the final destination. You have to ride the Bombardiro Crocodilo to escape. But there is a twist. Watch this clip until the end.
Bombardiro crocodilo.
Tralalero, tralala, tralalero, tralala, porco Dio e porco Allah. Tralalero, trallalero, trallalero, tralala, porco Dio e porco Allah. Tralalero, trallalero. Tung, 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 sahur.
Bombardiro crocodilo. Un fottuto alligatore volante che vola e bombarda. Dio è trallalero, 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 tralala, porco Dio è trallalero, tralala.